stuck in traffic, being half hour, just turned another way, made a mistake, just should have sat in the gridlock. We're in gridlock, we're going the wrong direction now. Typical Cardiff, nothing works anymore. People just being routinely electing Labour politicians, and we see the result here. Plaid Cymru now, what are they talking about? Bikes. In the rain, you can all cycle and get to where we want to go. This is Cowboys Road East, absolute joke. Well, as you see, I sped it up and it still took ages. Absolute disaster driving around Cardiff yesterday. And I say Labour politicians because it's the Labour politicians supported by Plaid Cymru and the Greens who have introduced cycle lanes where they're not used. So you've got a whole piece of road not used, and the next road gridlock, and just gridlock everywhere. You look at Wellington Street, you look at Tyndall Street. The Castle is slightly more used, but still causes a lot of chaos. The way people have been voting in local elections, many people have been voting on UK issues, send a message to Boris and so on. And as a result, we've elected really bad councillors who've made really bad decisions. And part of the problem now is we cannot move around our city in a car. That has to be remedied. Propel will propose to remove the cycle lanes which are not used, and we will enable people just to drive cars around Cardiff again. I actually hate driving generally, and I really would prefer to take public transport, but it's just not possible so often, and it's really not fair that people are labelling car drivers now, and have been for a good while, a problem. We're not a problem. We only drive because we have to, most of us, and we have to make Cardiff livable again and get things moving. That's what Propel intends to do heading towards the council elections next year. Diolch yn fawr.